How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed the comprehension question number 3rd A. Now today we will do the B question. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is, why did the courts have very little work under Brahmadatta's rule? Answer, the courts had little work to do under Brahmadatta's rule as people gave up falsehood and settled their disputes peacefully. Question number 2. What was Brahmadatta's object in leaving the city in disguise? Answer, Brahmadatta disguised himself to find out his faults by taking to the people about their king. Moreover, the people inside and outside his court never pointed out his faults. Question number 3. Where did Brahmadatta and the king of Kaushal meet? Answer, Brahmadatta came across the king of Kaushal on a narrow path with steep sides. Question number 4. Why were the two chariots not able to move on at first? Answer, none of the chariots could go ahead first because the way was narrow. No one was willing to make way for the other. Question number 5. Did Brahmadatta's charioteer know at first who in the other chariot? Answer, at first Brahmadatta's charioteer did not know who was in the other chariots. Question number 6. Why did Brahmadatta's charioteer want to know about the virtues of King Mallika? Answer, when Brahmadatta's charioteer found out that both of the kings were equal to one another in age, status, armies, and wealth, he desired to learn about the virtues of Mallika. Question number 7. Which of the two charioteers made way for the other in the end? Why did he do so? Answer, King Mallika had to make way for King Brahmadatta as Brahmadatta was more righteous than him. Man is worshipped and respected for noble deeds and righteous behavior everywhere. Now next is grammar in use. Read these sentences. His minister could not find any faults in him, and his courtiers could not find any faults in him. The two sentences can be combined in this way. Neither his minister nor his courtiers could find any faults in him. Now combine each of the following pairs of sentences using neither or nor. Here the first sentence is, Ashok didn't come to school yesterday. Ravi didn't come to school yesterday. Second sentence is, George doesn't drink his coffee. George doesn't drink tea. Third, Kamla didn't know the answer. Radha didn't know the answer. Fourth, he wasn't helped by Bhaskar. He wasn't helped by Kareem. Fifth, David didn't pass the first test. David didn't pass the second test. Sixth, wasn't Pratap invited to the party? Wasn't Shekhar invited to the party? Now answer of these 6 sentences, when we combine it using neither or nor, the first is, neither Ashok nor Ravi came to school yesterday. Second, George drinks neither coffee nor tea. Third, neither Kamla nor Radha knew the answer. Fourth, he was helped neither by Bhaskar nor by Kareem. Fifth, David passed neither the first nor the second test. Sixth, was neither Pratap nor Shekhar invited by the party. Next is, let's write. Question number 1. Describe in a paragraph how Brahmadatta ruled his kingdom. Answer, Brahmadatta was a just, impartial and righteous ruler. He gave fearless judgments. The people were satisfied under his rule. They settled their disputes without violence. People remained peaceful. He asked his minister and the courtiers about his faults, but no one pointed his faults, as he had none. The people praised him highly for his virtues. They were fully satisfied with their king. Second is, write a short paragraph about the virtues Mallika and those of Brahmadatta. Answer. Mallika was the king of Kaushal, whereas Brahmadatta ruled over Varanasi. Both of them were equal in age and the extent of their kingdom, army, wealth, caste, or creed. King Mallika defeated the strong by strength, the humble by humility, wicked by cruelty, and the good by goodness. The king of Varanasi was calm with the angry, kind with the wicked, and conquered the selfish by love. He won the liars by truthfulness. He proved that the king of Varanasi was more virtuous than the king of Kaushal. So the way was cleared for him. So students, here we complete our chapter number 6 question answer and the other exercise. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.